When and by whom Indira Gandhi awarded Bharat Ratna? Options are A. 1971, Neelam Sanjaya Reddy, B. 1971, B.V. Giri, C. A and B, D. None. Supriyo Samrat B, Usru Ayushi B, Arav B, Arush B, Usru Ayushi B, Supreme B, Joshna B, Akanshit B, Poonam Kaur B, option B. Let's see, is it correct or not? B is the correct answer. Second question is for $1,000 points. How many titles of Nehru originated from? Options are A. Font, B. B. Tanks, C. Nahar, D. None. Arav C. Usru Ayushi C. Arush C. Supriyo Samrat C. Clean C. Usru Ayushi Akanshit C. Supriyo Samrat C. Okay, lock of C. Answer. Third question is $2,000. How Rajiv Gandhi related to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru? Options are A. Grandfather, B. Father, C. Uncle, D. None. Samrat Supriyo A. Usru Ayushi A. Akanshit A. Arush A. Tukleen A. Joshna A. Poonam A. Lock option A. Answer. Question is for $3,000 points. Title Gandhi to Indira Gandhi. Options are A. Subhash Chandra Bose, B. Mahatma Gandhi Tagore. Usru Ayushi B. 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 Aravarian B. Akanshit B. Sukhli Kaur B. Joshna B. Or B. Lock option B. B is the correct answer. It's Mahatma Gandhi. Fifth question is for $5,000 points. Rahul Gandhi is the grandson of which one? Options are A. Pandit Nehru, B. Menka Gandhi, C. None, D. Indira Gandhi. Arav B. Usru Ayushi D. Tukleen Kaur D. Akanshit B. Joshna Singh D. Supriyo Samrat D. Poonam Kaur D. Arush D. Supriyo Samrat D. Lock option D. B is the correct answer. $1,000 points. What is the name of Samadhi Sthal of Indira Gandhi? Options are A. Shakti Sthal, B. Smriti Sthal, C. Sangharsh, D. None. Supriyo Samrat A, Arav A, Akanshit A, Tukleen A, Yoshna Singh A, Khusru Ayushi A, Aravaryan A, Poonam Kaur A, Arush A. Lock option A is the correct answer. Seventh question is for $10,000 points. Which place Nehru ji was born? Options are A. Delhi, B. Allahabad, C. Agra, D. None. Khusru Ayushi C. Supriyo Samrat C. Aravaryan A. Sukleen Kaur C. Arav C. Akanshit C. Unnati C. Yoshna Singh C. Poonam Kaur C. Lock option C. C is the correct answer. Eighth question is for $20,000 points. At which place Indira Gandhi was born? Options are A. Delhi, B. Allahabad, C. Agra, D. None. Supriyo Samrat B, Khusru Ayushi B, Arav B. Poonam Kaur B, Unnati B. Clean Kaur B. Lock option B, Allahabad. Correct answer. Ninth question is for $30,000 points. Presently, Allahabad is known as, options are A. Ayodhya, B. Deen Dayal Upadhyay, C. Prayagraj, D. None. Khusru Ayushi C, Arav C, Akanshit C, Sukleen Kaur C, Poonam Kaur C, Abhinav Mishra C, Unnati C, Supriyo Samrat C, Arush C. Lock Poonam Kaur C. Lock option C, Prayagraj. Correct answer. Tenth question is for $50,000 points. Anand Bhavan Museum is in which of the following? Options are A. Prayagraj, B. Ayodhya, C. Chitrakoot, D. None. Arav A, Akanshit A, Sukleen Kaur A, Yoshna A, Khusru Ayushi A, Supriyo Samrat A, Unnati A, Poonam Kaur A, Abhinav Mishra A, Arush A. Good evening. Write your answer in your chat box. Lock option A is the correct answer. Prayagraj. The 11th question is for $100,000 points. How many children are of Priyanka Gandhi? Options are A1, B3, C2, D none. Supriyo Samrat C, Khusru Ayushi C, Arav C, Yoshna Singh C, Aravaryan A, Akanshit A, Abhinav Mishra C, Sukleen C, Poonam Kaur C, Unnati C, Shashank Raj, C. Lock option C. C is the correct answer. $250,000 points. What is the name of father of Motilal Nehru? Options are A. Arun Nehru, B. A and B, C. Gangadhar Nehru, D. None. Arav C. Supriyo Samrat C. Khusro Ayushi C. Akanshit C. Arav Aryan C. Poonam Kaur C. Arush C. Tuklin C. Unnati C. Shashank Raj C. Abhinav Mishra C. Lock option C. C is the correct answer. Gangadhar Nehru. Question is for $500,000 points. Who is the father of Vijay Lakshmi Pandit? Options are A. Gangadhar Nehru, B. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, C. None, D. Motilal Nehru. Khusro Ayushi D. Supriyo Samrat D. Arav D. Tuklin D. Abhinav Mishra D. Unnati D. Poonam Kaur D. Akanshit D. Arav Aryan D. Arush B. Okay, log option D. E is the correct answer. $1 million points. How many prime ministers are in Nehru family? Sorry. Options are A3, B2, C1, D4. Arav Aryan B, Abhinav Mishra B, Supriyo Samrat B, Arav B, Khusro Ayushi B, Abhinav Mishra 2, Akanshit B, Unnati B, Shashank Raj B, Arav A, Khusro Ayushi A, Poonam Kaur B, Joshna B. Okay, let's see whose answer is correct. Log the correct option. It's A3. Question is for $1 million points. Okay, congratulations. It's time for lucky draw. Today's winner is Arav Aryan.